In under 2 weeks, our team transformed a brand new 500,000 square foot facility into a fully functional solar distribution hub designed to support residential and utility installations for our customers' West Coast operation.
With just 48 hours notice, Logisticus, spanning multiple different departments, mobilized instantly. We secured the facility, ensured compliance, and launched operations on time. We didn't just meet expectations, we innovated.
Our tech team enhanced our custom LTMS system, giving the customer real-time access to inventory and outbound order creation at their fingertips.
This allowed our customer to track down to the individual component levels, allowing for pallets to be broken out, something other off-the-shelf systems do not allow for.
Handling components from multiple manufacturers means organization is everything. Our team managed over 30,000 pallets of panels, microinverters, optimizers, and cabling, which equated to roughly 20 to 30 trucks per day during inbound and outbound operations. Over 300 megawatts of total equipment.
That's where our logistics systems and our people shine.
This is the core of our Logisticus Distribution Center hub, where we serve various customers throughout the U.S. in the renewable sector.
This project is a powerful reminder of our team's cohesiveness, customized solutions, and relentless pursuit of excellence.
This is Logisticus. More innovation, less risk.